Hello everybody, welcome to Acorn and Oak and today's ATC Thursday video. Right, I've done one ATC already to see if I like it, and now I'm going to do the other two with you. I've got some distressed oxide inks here. I've got broken china, cracked pistachio and fossilized amber, and I've got my ink blending tool. So I'm going to use my fossilized amber first. I'm going to use it on both the ATCs. Then I have a wet one, and I'm just going to quickly wipe it off, and then I have a microfiber cloth hanging off my desk. So I'm going to clean it as I go. I need to get hold of some more of these. Okay, now some cracked pistachio. Give it a clean. Wipe it down, and now the broken china. Now I need to get a stencil, because I didn't use a stencil in the other one I did. It just occurred to me as I was just doing this one. Okay, using my dot stencil, and then I need to answer my mum. 1 second everybody. I'm recording videos, Mum. Yes please. Okay, thank you Mum. Asking if I wanted a cup of tea. Right, so I've got that over the two stencils. Now using the baby wipe that I was using to wipe off the blending tool, I'm going to go over the top of this stencil, and I'm hoping it'll take up some of the colour and we'll get left with an impression of the stencil. Yep, there we go. Something different to do. One thing that I'm trying really hard to do is bring as many different kind of ideas and different ways to use your stuff. You know, we've all got plenty of stuff in our craft stashes. Well, I'm assuming we do. Right, I've got my Memento ink nautical blue, and I'm going to stamp images all over these backgrounds. Now these are just food themed stamps in my stash. They're from different manufacturers. I don't have their boxes or anything, so I don't know who they're from, who they're made by, I mean. So on and off the page. What are you looking for, Mum? Oh, is it up here? You should have shouted. Mum's coming up to get my teacup. Isn't my mum wonderful? Okay, so and then what I've done is I've got these two stamps here. One's a latte, and so it says "I like you a latte," and the other one's a tea bag, and it says drinky. Oh, drink me, sorry. So I'm going to cut one of these out, or maybe one on each, or two on each. Let's have a look. I'm going to cut some of these out, and then I'll be right back with you. Now I've done some bubble cutting because I don't want to be right on the nose, and I was thinking of maybe doing like a cluster there, and then tea bag here. Maybe I should do another tea bag. Okay, I think I want one of each on there. I'm going to attach them using some foam tabs. crafters, I broke it. I pulled it apart. So I'm going to put a dab of glue, and then hopefully that will repair it. Okay, let's stick them onto our bases. Stamp. I think I'm going to stamp this sentiment. I used it on the first one and it says quiet moments. Okay, then just to finish it off, I'm going to go around the edges with the Memento Nautical Blue. And there we have it, crafters, 3 ATCs. So that's the kind of tea and coffee themed. So thank you very much for joining me today, and you'll see me again next week with ATC Thursday plus other videos. Take care now. Bye bye.